Okay, so let's see where the 16 vowels are placed. All right. So you have to move from the center towards your right side of the body to back to the center. So there are 4 letters from the center to the right side. Okay. Then from the right side of your body to the center where the spinal cord is are another 4. From the center to the left side are further 4, and the last 4 are from the side of your left shoulder to the center. 4, no, start from the right, your right. 4, back 4, left back 4, and front 4. All right, and we need to distribute them somewhat equally. Okay, so if this much is the distance, then kind of around 1 inch. So 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, like that. Okay, so you start just off the center, not exactly at the center, but to the right, to your right. Okay, so we will go through this and then we will go with it a few times, so you can get it quite easily. Use your right hand. You can change the hands when you come to the other side of the body. That may be easier. Okay, instead of trying to stretch and then do that and that and that, just change hands. So the placement, just from here, the center, you start from the right side of the collarbone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Little bit higher at the neck. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. So you just need to feel a little pressure at that point. Okay. You can use any finger you want, ring finger, any finger is fine. Okay. Now in the diagram that you have, it has been distributed. You can see the numbers 1, 2. All right, which is 1, 2 to your right. Each one to their right. 1, 2. Then the figure is showing 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? The middle figure. 3, 4, 5, 6 till here. Then the next one is showing 7, 8 and then 9, 10. Okay. For the rest, you have to go one more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 come back in the first one. So there you have same. So from here 11, 12, 13, 14 and the last two 15 and 16. Okay. It's easier to remember it in groups of 4. 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12 and 13 to 16. Alright.